Hello all, welcome to our channel, The Chat Club. I am Vasant Manik. In this video, I'm gonna share about my experience and also about my experimentation with one of our evergreen, lush and bushy plant. Yes, the turtle vine. So before getting into the video, I like to thank all our subscribers for your support so far. And for new subscribers, our channel will be publishing videos about gardening and about our native hunting dog breed Rajapalayam. So for much more interesting videos about gardening, kindly do subscribe and hit the bell icon. Turtle vine is also known as creeping inch plant or Bolivian Jew plant. This perennial plant forms a creepy green mat-like look when allowed to grow on grounds, but usually these plants are grown in hanging pots, which makes it stunningly beautiful. Regarding sunlight, the plant thrives well in bright indirect sunlight and also in morning sunlight. Bright light makes the foliage bushy and greener, and the plant can withstand some extent of direct sunlight if there is much humidity in the atmosphere. Too much of direct sunlight will lead to sun scorch with typical signs including browning or crispy leaves, dry leaf edges or stunted growth. Regarding watering, the plant needs slightly moist soil for better growth. Avoid overwatering the plant. Overwatering symptoms include yellowing lower leaves, little to no growth and rotting stem or leaves. Never allow a turtle vine to endure long periods of soggy soil and don't keep it in dark location as both will significantly affect the plant. Regarding humidity, average humidity found in the home is more than enough to occupy a turtle vine. If the leaf tips begin to brown over, it could be a sign of very too low humidity. Either finally mist the foliage so often or introduce a humidifier or a humidity tray to keep the plant hale and healthy. Regarding pruning, prune the tip of the foliage to encourage bushier growth and to maintain its size and shape. Remove yellow or dying leaves and plant debris to encourage better growing conditions. While pruning, always use clean utensils or shears to reduce the chance of bacterial and fungal infections. Turtle vine are best suited in hanging baskets. Turtle vine plant grows well in fertile, moist but well-drained soil. Display your turtle vine in a hanging basket and allow it to cascade, showing off the fine textured foliage. You can hang it in a place where there is bright indirect sunlight. In warm weather, you will often need to water your hanging basket daily since they will dry out quickly when exposed to sun and wind. In hanging baskets, make sure that the potting soil is rich in organic material such as coco peat that will retain the water for much more time. Regarding propagation, turtle vine is a fast-growing perennial plant that grows to a whopping length of 20 inches or even more than that in a year when kept it in ideal condition. It has a spread of 3 meters both horizontally and vertically that looks attractive in both containers and as well as in hanging baskets. Turtle vines can be propagated very easily. In general, turtle vines can be propagated by 3 methods. The first method is cutting, then layering and through water propagation. Out of these 3 methods of propagation, one of the easiest and very successful method of propagation is through layering. And that is what I have done here. So what I have done is I have kept these ceramic pots near the mother plant and I just allowed the plant to cascade. You can very well see it. So what I have done is I have added a healthy soil mixture in these ceramic plants and I have just kept it near the mother plant. And now the mother plant has started rooting in these small ceramic plants. You can very well see that. And this method of propagation is called layering. It is one of a successful method of propagating any plant. So now I'm going to separate these 3 ceramic planters from the mother plant. Propagating plants by layering is one of a successful method, and we in our state Tamil Nadu, we used to propagate rose plants by this method. So finally, this is how it looks like when hanged in my garden. As I already mentioned in our video, turtle vines looks absolutely beautiful and awesome when it is grown in hanging baskets. So kindly give a try growing turtle vine at your home. I hope this video would have been useful to you. If you found our videos to be interesting and useful, kindly like, share and subscribe, and more importantly, don't forget to click the bell icon to get regular updates. Thanks for watching.